Hello everyone, welcome to episode 4 of After Effects series, and I'm really sorry for yesterday update. Actually happened my laptop charger got failure. That's why I can't able to start up my laptop. But everything is fine now. Let's get started our 4th series in After Effects. And first of all, in previous class we have studied about graphs and keyframes, and now in 4th class let's deep dive more in graphs. Today's video we have to study about edit value graph and speed graph. Okay, and first of all we have to create a new composition, graphs Effcts 2. Hit OK and our composition ready. Select your shape, and if you can also import your footages if you want to animate. I'm going with shape and create a circle, hold shift for perfect circle and offset, hold shift. Okay, now we have to animate this. Press S for scale down and press P for here, and add your initial keyframe and 1 second forward, I think 2 seconds forward, add your final keyframe. Select your board keyframe, press F9 for easy ease, open your graph, and this is speed value graph. If you can show, this is speed value graph and here is edit value graph. And we have studied about already what is speed value graph. We have to just drag it this handle. This graph means your object first speed up and then slow down. Look at this. Okay, that's how smooth is this. Let's import a different shape. I want a star, so for better understanding press P and press shift plus S for both values, transforms value open. I wanna in this size and here. Let's also change the color blue. Then add your first initial keyframe here and drag it to 1.5 second approximately here. Now press R for rotation transformation tool open, add your initial keyframe and drag your playback here. Now add rotation tool also. Select all the keyframes, press F9 for easy ease. Now open your graph and you can show here this curve is position graph and this straight line is rotation graph. Okay, select your graph and drag this graph exactly like this, and now look at this animation. Star slightly tilted towards forward, and animation looks more smoother than previous. And animation is first speed up and then slow down. You can also change the animation just like that. I wanna first slow down, then speed up, then again slow down. Look at this. We can also make one more animation, and there is infinity possible in animation, not one more, like that. First slow down, speed up, then again slow down. And this is the edit speed graph. Now let's talk about edit value graph. Click on this and if we can here switch edit value graph, switch to edit value graph, and you can show here there are two lines. First red line is curved and green line is straight. That means red line is x direction and green line is y direction, because we only animated x axis, not in y axis. Look at this, this is only animated in x axis. That's why x axis line is curved and green line is straight. And if you can show here, we can't animate this right now. First we have to separate these dimensions. So right click on it, this value, and here is separate dimensions. And now we can animate x direction, x axis, not in y axis, because we don't put any keyframe on y axis, only in x axis. Look at this, there is two handle appears in x line. We can drag this handle like edit a speed graph and animate this just like this, downward and upward. And now this means first slow down, speed up, normal speed, slow down, speed up. Okay, look at this. Just like a speed ramp, we can also animate this like that. First speed boost and then slow down and stop. Okay, and we can also animate this like this, slow down and speed boost here. And here we can animate in edit speed graph like this. It gives more freedom than edit speed graph. I think we need to change his value of the position keyframe, both of the separate dimensions. Press S, I think no P, put this in center with this tool, align tool here. This is in on center. Now press S of the graph panel and first add your keyframe, drag your value to 0, drag your playback to 2 seconds and our value to 120. Okay, I think 120 is not enough. I think enough. Drag your both, select your both keyframe, press F9, go in graph editor. This is a edit speed graph, edit value graph, and this is edit speed graph and edit value graph. Now select your graph, look at this handle. I want to animate this handle downward and this handle upward, and our animations look like this. Okay, and this is edit value graph. I hope you understand about what is edit value graph. Guys, recommended please practice at least 20 minutes in day for mastering this software. Okay, and let's end this today's season, and next class we learn about speed ramp. Okay, now let's end this season. Bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.